Hello, welcome back to another Mommy Diary vlog. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. This is Ella, the yummy mommy of two. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always staying glued. Do take a moment to like and subscribe if you haven't already. So today being Sunday, the 8th day of February 2026, at exactly 7:15 p.m, I'll be making a very delicious pot of goat meat yam pepper soup and a pot of stew. These are the very first proper meals I'm cooking for today. My kids had oats and fruits in the morning before church. I and hubby didn't eat in the morning because we don't eat that early. We later ate at a function we attended. You might be wondering why I'm cooking this late. Guys, body no be firewood. This motherhood duty is not a day job. Like, it is not a joke, guys. Do the ones that are very important and reschedule the rest for later. So after church, hubby suggested that we dropped our kids at my mother-in-law's while we come home to rest and have some alone time. Immediately we got home, I managed to fix the house because I was so tired. After fixing the house, I wanted to cook just because of my husband, but my odogu parent said I shouldn't bother myself, that I should rest, that I am a human being. Guys, who am I? I hopped onto the bed immediately and I slept like a baby. I and hubby slept for hours, and later on we attended a child dedication of a friend. So before we could get back, it was already getting late and everyone was already hungry. So I decided to make goat meat yam pepper soup, which I have been craving for the longest, and then a very small pot of stew against tomorrow for my kids' school lunch. Guys, believe me, the satisfaction that comes after eating this goat meat yam pepper soup is out of this world. Would you love to try it? Have you tried it before? Is this something that you would love to try? Let me know in the comments. delicious.
It's for me.
Wait, I'm coming. Not doing my video on it. This is delicious. Do you know what this thing is? Do you know it? Do you know it? Mama, do you know this thing? What is it?
Its name is
Yeah. Yeah, my what?
pepper soup.
Good job.
Pepper soup.
Yeah, pepper soup. Oh. Thank you for staying with me, guys. See you guys on my next one. Mwah.
Bye guys. Bye guys. See you later.